Greetings from Singapore. Today I have a mini walking tour of the Clarke area. Right now I'm at the former Hill Street police station, which was completed in 1934. These are black and white photos, and now look at that, man. It's so colorful now. There's also a Fort Canning Park, which those of you who like the nature can go out and have a hiking, trekking excursion. This place, right, is just very near the Funan, the brown color building. The nearest subway station is City Hall or Clarke. Can come by both sides. This is the Funan IT Mall. If you guys are interested in laptops, electronics, cameras, can come here. There's even some restaurants right here, and there's a link bridge to the Fort Canning. And opposite where I'm standing from is the Civil Defence Heritage Gallery. It's like a mini museum to understand more about the Civil Defence Force in Singapore. You can take a look. But I think the last entry is 5 PM, so come early. It's free entry. So at this Clarke area, right, you'll see a lot of this river tourist boat that take the tourists on a tour along the Singapore River. Here comes another one. And the price $25 per person per boat. I mean per person on the boat, and during night time they operate as well. So I think one boat can see about maybe 50 passengers. The Marina Bay Sands area is one of the best things and scenery can get in Singapore. Opposite, right, they're having some game, you know, the slingshot of Singapore. But they operate already from 4:30 to like 11 PM, but now it's too hot, you know. Even though now it's like 6 PM. So normally the people will come and play the slingshot after 7:30 PM to like 9:30. That's a nice boat, man.